Today, we're going to read The Crayon Box That Could Talk. Before we get started, I want to know if you guys have ever heard a crayon talk. That's right, I've never heard a crayon talk either, but we're going to try to see what these crayons have to say. While walking into the toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say. Do you know what it means when you have overheard or overhear something? It means that you are not really supposed to hear it, or that you're like hearing it from the side and they're not really talking to you specifically. So we're gonna keep reading. I don't like red, said yellow, and green said, nor do I. And no one likes orange, but no one knows just why. Before I show you, I'm gonna read this part, and I want you guys to think about what you think these crayons' faces look like. We are a box of crayons that doesn't get along, said Blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. So how do you think they're feeling right now in this sentence? You think they're mad, angry, sad, hurt, happy? Do you think they're happy? No, I don't either. So these are kind of what their faces are making right now. They don't look very too happy, do they? Well, I bought that box of crayons and took them home with me and laid all the colors so the crayons could all see. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green and black and white and orange and every color between. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. The word drifting means kind of like it's going across or moving along the sky. Colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored, and they watched till I was through. Do you know what it means when it says the colors were touching? Were they actually changing as they touch? Were they actually like touching, like when you take two crayons and put them together, like these two, like when they're holding hands and stuff? Are they gonna change colors because they touch? What do you guys think? You're right. No, they are not. They are changing because they're changing the page. The page is white and they're bringing more colors to it, and they're changing because they're making new pictures out of what they're being able to draw with themselves. And I'd finally finished. I began to walk away. And as I did, the crayon box had something more to say. I do like red, said yellow, and green said, so do I. And blue, you were terrific, so high in the sky. We are a box of crayons, each of us are unique, but when we get together, the picture is complete. So, what is happening? What did the crayons learn by this picture? What did they learn by this picture? I think they learned that they can come together and be happy and be friends and know that they all are unique in a special way. Yeah.